My name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw cliffs in Photoshop. So what I've done here is I've drawn a mountain range just for your background to get the idea that you're in a cliffy area. And I've added another layer, and how you do this is you go down to your bottom of that window to this little button right here, and you're going to want to click that, which will create a new layer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over to the pen tool, and I'm actually not going to pick the actual pen tool. I'm going to hold down on the pen tool, and I'm going to click the freeform pen tool. And I've selected some darker colors just so that it'll show up against our background. Now when you're drawing cliffs, one of the most important things to remember is that in order to make a cliff look like it's a real cliff, you're going to want to really add some depth to it. And so what I'm doing here is just making this basic outline of my cliff. And this isn't what it's going to look like in the end, but this is what it looks like for now. So I've drawn out the shape I want, and now you're going to either push Control and click, or right click, it doesn't matter, and you go to Fill Path. And what this does is make sure your foreground color is selected, and you click OK, and this will fill up your path. So now we've got the first part of our cliff. And so what I'm going to do is push Control and click, and I'm going to select Delete Path. And this is incredibly important when using the pen tool, freeform pen tool, any part of the pen tool. And the reason is because when you make your new path, and the first thing you're going to do before you make your new path is add a new layer underneath that layer and select your darker color. And you can simply do this by, when you have two colors, just this little button right here just will switch your colors. And the reason we deleted the path was because now we're going to draw another path, like so. And you're going to want to connect it just to the bottom of each part of your little cliff. If you can see what I've done here. Alright, so I've connected those parts. Now I'm going to fill it again. And then you're going to delete your path. Because the reason I deleted it is because if I didn't delete it, it would completely refill all the color that I've done already, all the path that I've done with the same color, and you wouldn't get this contrast between the two. And that is how you draw a cliff in Photoshop. My name is Alex Cecilio. Thank you.